Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Brawl Stars on a school iPad. School-issued iPads typically come with robust security measures and content filters, making it challenging to install unauthorized applications. These restrictions are carefully implemented by the school's IT department to ensure a focused learning environment and protect students. It's crucial to understand that attempting to bypass these security protocols could result in significant disciplinary consequences, so always proceed with caution and awareness of school policies. School iPads are usually managed through mobile device management, or MDM, software. This powerful tool allows the school's IT team to remotely control various aspects of the device, including blocking the installation of new applications like Brawl Stars. MDM can also restrict access to certain websites and prevent changes to critical settings. These comprehensive measures are primarily in place to minimize distractions during class and maintain the overall security and integrity of the school's network and devices. While direct app installation is almost always blocked by MDM profiles, some individuals might explore alternative methods. For instance, using a virtual private network, or VPN, could potentially bypass network-level content filters, though MDM often blocks VPN installation too. Another approach might involve looking for web-based versions of games or cloud gaming services, but these are rarely available for Brawl Stars and would still require an open browser and network access, which are often restricted. The most responsible approach is to always adhere strictly to your school's acceptable use policy regarding their issued devices. These policies are designed to create a productive learning environment. If you wish to play Brawl Stars, the best and safest option is to do so on a personal device, such as your own phone or tablet, during non-school hours. If you have any uncertainties about device usage, it is always wise to consult with your school's IT department or a trusted teacher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.